Howard and his mother are at the hospital. Come on, we gotta go.
Oh my God, what happened?
I don't know, I just got a text. Come on, hurry.
Okay.
Sheldon, let's go!
To a hospital? Full of sick people?
Okay, well, your friend and his mother are there. We're going.
It's the ones that will kill me.
You are unbelievable. You buy all these superhero t-shirts, but when it's time for you to step up and do the right thing, you just hide in the laundry room.
Fine, I'll go. Just for the record, my Aunt Ruth died in a hospital. Finally. Oh, what fresh hell is this?
Wait, you can't leave here. You've been exposed.
No, I haven't. It's all good.